Hi! In front of me is Realme C31 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to access clock by tapping on it. Then choose alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Then set up an hour and choose OK. Now you need to click on days of the week that you wish to set up and click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. You can also add your alarm to Google Assistant routine. After that, click on label and label your alarm however you wish to. Now click OK in the pop-up and tap on bell icon. Over here, you can pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the best one and going back. But you can also click on add new, pick music from your smartphone and go back. Now, if you wish to switch off your alarm completely, click on the switcher. If you wish to turn it back on, click again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on this pin icon at the bottom left corner. And as you can see, my alarm is gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!